Your name?
Kyle Edwards.
You stand mute, waive formal reading for purposes of arraignment.
He does, Your Honor.
Now he's going to plead, as I understand it, to operating while impaired with the OWI to be dismissed. True?
Yes.
Is that what you want to do?
Yep.
What is that, polo?
What was that?
Is that a polo shirt?
Yeah, yes.
You play polo?
No.
You just buy the shirt?
Yeah, no, I don't like wearing like suits and stuff, so this is kind of like the dressiest type of shirt I'll go for. But yeah.
I'd rather wear that shirt than wear this suit and my tie, you know?
Right.
So would you, right, Mr. Carmen?
Absolutely. I love polo shirts. I own quite a few.
If you plead guilty here, the possible penalties are up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service costs, or all. 4 points, license suspension or revocation in accordance with your record. Your vehicle could be or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here today?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
plead guilty. You'll be giving up all those rights. There will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
The charge operating while impaired, how do you plead?
Guilt.
Were you in the city of Flat Rock, County of Wayne, State of Michigan on January 12 of 23 at 11:58 p.m. on Magnolia Drive at or near 29754 Magnolia Drive?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you drink alcohol before that?
Yep.
What and how much?
Well, two
Tell me how much
swigs,
drinking.
2 swigs, and it was Hennessy. I took it out of the bottle, but they were
Hang on. Swigs.
yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Tell me how much you had.
I couldn't really put it into.
You had more than 2 swigs. How much did you have? Just be honest with me.
I put the bottle to my face 2 times, sir, and filled my mouth and drank a lot.
Okay. Well,
But it was too.
that's a
two
little bit
times.
different than a swig, isn't it?
Well, it wasn't a shot, you know.
Can we define
Another
swig
form.
for a second, Mr. Carmen? Does that sound like a swig? I'm just kidding. What, then you drove the vehicle. Why were you pulled over?
I was 4 feet, I think it said, from the curb.
What does that mean? You parked?
Yeah, because I was getting sick, so I pulled about
2
3
swigs?
Yeah.
So you pulled your car over 4 feet from the curb?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're really impeding traffic. You were parking in a travel lane, correct?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
was your ability to operate, is that, you think you did that at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
No, Your Honor, only because I had taken it right before I
Hang on a
left.
second. Hang on a second. You don't think your drinking had anything to do with the fact that you did that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, I want you to tell me the truth. If you don't, you don't. Tell me if you don't.
Well,
Yes.
yes.
Did you take a breath test or a blood test?
Breath.
And counsel, were the results 0.11? Did you so stipulate for purposes of the plea?
Yes, I believe both data master samples were 0.11. We'd stipulate.
Are you on probation or parole?
Nope.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Nope.
You're not even 21 yet.
Yes,
Right?
Your Honor. Yep.
What are you drinking for?
Well,
Wait a minute. I just want to caution you. Is this your mom?
yes.
I just want to caution you that when people come in here on drunk drivings and they're not even legally able to drive, guess what the odds in Vegas would be that they'd come back here?
Nice.
Substantial. I'm just telling you.
Okay.
Take it however you want to take it. You are likely to be back in front of a judge on a drunk driving in just the next few years. I'm just telling you.
Okay.
I hope you're not, but you're likely to. My statistics that I keep in my brain that I don't write down on a piece of paper tell me that you're likely to come back. Not good. Going to school, you're working, what are you doing?
So 1.5 years ago, I cut my arm off at a lumberyard job I worked at.
Jeez.
So I haven't been working. I've just been doing rehab and stuff. And to answer your last question, the only reason I really drank is because it had been 1 year. And, you know, it was my first time, you know, drinking alcohol since I was like 16. So I was like, all right.
So you've been a choir boy from the time you were 16 until 20.
Yeah.
You could have been an altar boy too, huh?
Well,
Ringing the bell,
yes.
singing.
But so nonetheless, I've been doing therapy, and I just
You have a lot of
recently,
nerve damage?
yeah, I cut it off completely, Your Honor. Cut my arm off.
Yeah, that doesn't look good the more I look at it.
Yeah, no, but nonetheless, I've been doing therapy. Workers' compensation has been paying me. So until very recently, I was getting a check every 2 weeks for compensation.
Let's do this. I'm accepting your plea to impaired, dismissing the OWI, referring you for a screening and assessment. I'm gonna give you a $1,000 personal bond, as I said, no alcohol, no illegal drugs, no alcohol, no illegal drugs, no marijuana. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who do you live with, your mom?
Yep.
You graduate from where?
Airport community.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna give you a sentence date now, Lisa, and I want you to stay out of trouble, okay?
All right.
Lisa, what are we doing on this?
March, excuse me, March 9th at 8:45.
So that's what we're doing, and you're gonna go across the hall. First go down, get your notice, then go across the hall, fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed, okay?
For the probation.
Correct.
All right.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Wish you well, good luck.
Thank you.
Aaron Henry Bicknees, 23F239215. Your name?
Aaron Bickness.
Mr. Bickness, how you doing? You went and met with the prosecutor, you're going to plead guilty to driving on a suspended, right?
That is
Is
correct.
that what you want to do?
Yes.
You do that, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs for all of those and 2 points. Do you understand that?
I do.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
I did.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
To the charge driving, you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
I do.
To the charge driving on a suspended, how do you plead?
Guilty.
On January 13 of 23 at 4:47 p.m., were you operating a motor vehicle on Telegraph near Thomas in the city of Flat Rock, County of Wayne?
I was.
Was your license suspended?
It was.
Are you on probation?
No.
Parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
You got an OUIL warrant.
Yes, I know. I'm going to be taking care of that
You
soon.
never took care of that case? What are you doing?
I'm being stupid, but now I'm starting to be smart, and I'm going to take care of it.
You're getting yourself in trouble.
Yes.
Community client courtroom, please.
I had some medical issues the past couple of years.
Listen, I'm gonna accept your plea. I'm gonna sentence you now. You gotta take care of your business.
Yes.
Is there anything you'd like to tell me?
I was young, stupid, didn't take care of it. I had some medical problems that I won't get into, but it basically lost the ability to walk and had a stroke.
Geez, I'm sorry.
Yeah, but I can walk, and the stroke.
Do you work? You don't work now.
I work, yes.
Where?
Industrial fencing. I'm actually in the union. Iron worker local 25. So I am trying to stop being stupid and take care of this.
That's Fulmer's own there, right?
What's that?
Who owns that? Fulmer's?
Yes, I believe.
Yeah. All right. You stay out of trouble. You gonna stay out of trouble?
Yes. Like I said, I know I was stupid. I'm trying to.
Well, you don't have to use that word. That's an ugly word. I'm gonna cut you a little bit of a break. I feel bad for you with this physical.
Yeah, it was bad for a while.
Well, I'm glad you're doing better.
Yeah.
Enjoy life. How old are you? 20, 31?
31, I'll be 32 in April.
Anything else?
As long as it's not too much of a fine, I can pay it today.
100 fines, 160 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 385 or 93 days. Is that too much of a fine?
What's the total?
385.
385? I can pay that.
Should have charged more, shouldn't I? I'm just kidding. Good luck. You're
Thank you.
upset. Go down the hall, take care of that. I don't want to see you back here again, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's call in. Well. Ms. Gonzalez, Tony Carmen's your lawyer, right? There we go. Nicole Elena Gonzalez.
Sir, you can be quiet, please.
Yeah, why do you keep doing that? You can't talk that loud. Seriously, that's like the third or fourth time.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Sir, why don't you have a seat in the hallway for your attorney? Wait for your attorney. in the hallway.
22T638518. Hey, you just mouthed FU to him?
I didn't
You
say-
just mouthed FU to him?
No, I didn't
You just mouthed FU to him?
No, I didn't, Your Honor.
Yeah, you
The
did.
attorney told me to sit here and wait for it.
You just mouthed FU to him.
No, I did not.
Don't you lie to me.
I promise.
Don't you lie to me.
I'm not lying to you.
Sit down.
Jesus.
Get out in the hallway right now until your case is called. You're not gonna be disrespectful to him or anybody else in this building.
I did not.
Get out in the hallway. Your appearance,
Michael A. Carmen, P73824, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
your name.
Nicole Gonzalez.
Let's go through the waiver of the jury trial first on the A and B. Is that what's gonna happen on that? Is that right or not?
Correct, Your Honor. We do wish to set up for a bench trial in front of Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes,
If you waive you have the constitutional right to a trial by jury. If you waive your right to a trial by jury, I'll be the one who will solely decide your guilt or innocence. Do you understand that?
yes,
Did you sign, read, and understand the document entitled waiver of trial by jury and election to be tried without jury?
yes.
Anybody force you to do that?
No,
Waiver's accepted. I'll set it for bench. Is it going to help to set it for a final pretrial or not at all?
Your Honor, we've already had a couple of pre-trials. It doesn't seem like we're going to be able to reach any resolution.
Okay, I'll set it for a bench. Find the waiver's been made voluntarily and understanding with Lisa.
March 23rd at 1 o'clock.
March the 23rd at 1 o'clock. Okay, ma'am? So momentarily you'll go down the hall and get your date. And I'm now going to go on to Nicole Gonzalez, 23F2390128. Okay, your name again?
Nicole Gonzalez.
Michael A. Carmen, P73824, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
She pled the disorderly. The retail fraud was dismissed. Anything that you would like to say, counsel?
Your Honor, I did not notice any
There is not a pre-sentence. by the way.
PSI. I'm not even sure what the court is inclined to do. I don't believe there's any restitution in this matter. I think the items were recovered. I don't think she did any screening with probation.
She didn't. I didn't order it.
Okay, we would ask that the court consider fines and costs, maybe some community service and in lieu of probation.
Anything you'd like to say?
No, Your Honor.
You hanging out with the wrong people?
Yeah, apparently. Yeah, and I will never do anything stupid like that again, ever, ever, ever.
Is
It's
he your
embarrassing.
boyfriend or what is he?
Yes.
Well, let me tell you something. I'm not gonna tell you whether you should go out with him or not. I could care less. I'm only telling you that we become those that we hang out with. Choir boys join choir boys, they become choir boys. Thieves become thieves, murderers, rapists, robbers. I'm just telling you, we are who we go out with. That's who we are.
Yeah.
That was quite an outburst he just had in here. He thinks he's sitting in a bar or in a sporting event, and then he has the audacity to say F you. I'm not going to hold any of this against you, ma'am. you might want to rethink whether or not he's the person for you.
Okay,
That's what you might want to think about.
okay.
Counsel, anything else?
Your Honor, I don't believe so.
Hunter, is there anything you'd like to say?
No, I'm in the process of getting another job because I'm probably gonna quit the one that I'm working at right now because due to unfairness. So, that's really it. Besides that, I will be working, so I can pay off like whatever fines and stuff.
They're gonna be expensive items.
Yeah, I mean, I am a single mom and I have 2 kids, so just money's kind of tight right now, you know, so. If you could just go a little bit easy with me on the fines, or if I could set up like a payment plan.
At least you're being respectful. That's more than I can say for your boyfriend. 100 fines. I'm gonna go light. I'm gonna trust that you're gonna digest what I said and you're gonna be nice and you're gonna be respectful. But hanging out with that guy who has the audacity to say mouth F you about my court officer. And by the way, I'm gonna adjourn that. Is that your case?
That's not my case, Your Honor. It's
I'm
Ms.
likely
Lacy's, I
to
believe.
adjourn that. I'm likely to adjourn that. 100 fines, 160 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment. 385, 8 hours of community service. I'll tell you what, I'll only make you do 6 hours of community service.
Thank you.
385, 6 hours community service, and I'm gonna give you until April 1. You're gonna go meet with probation. They're gonna explain to you where you can do it. So again, 385. 6 hours community service, and I'm gonna give you until April 1, so I'm gonna give you plenty of time. I'm gonna let you pay this at the rate of $50 a week, and I'm not gonna start that until March. Pantelis Peter Stelio Stiolano, 23F239001.
Gabriel Lacy on behalf of Mr.
I don't know if your
Staliano.
client's under the influence or what he's doing, but he doesn't seem to get the fact that this is not a ballpark. Even again, this is the 4th time he's raised his voice. I don't want you raising your voice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your name?
Sorry. Peter Stiliano.
So 2 minutes ago, not 2 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, my court officer said something to him because he was doing that and he gave him an FU, even though he's gonna lie and tell everybody he didn't do it. He didn't say it out loud, but he said it under his breath. I can read lips. I don't know who he thinks he is, talking to anybody like that.
Your Honor,
Listen, you're gonna agitate me if you lie to me. I saw you. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm gonna tell you one last time. You are going to agitate me if you lie to me. I saw you.
Your Honor, if I may.
I don't think I should sentence him today. And you know why? Because no matter what happens, and I'm still gonna be fair with you, but no matter what happens, there could be a perception I'm not, so I want to start over. He's coming back another day. He's gonna act more, let's call it professional, more respectful. Did you hear what I said when I said respectful?
yes, Your Honor. Can I say something? please?
No,
No.
no, listen to me very
I'm
carefully.
listening, Your Honor.
I'm not gonna sentence you today.
Okay.
I'm gonna sentence you next time. I'm gonna give you another date,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay? We're gonna give him another date. When are you here again, Ms. Lacy?
Yeah, if the court could do the 16th.
I can do the 16th. Lisa, right? We can do the 16th, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
At 8, what time? Is this my docket or Judge Hessen's next week? I don't even know. I don't even pay attention to
Next week
these.
would be Judge Hessen's.
Can we do it? What time should I do it? Can I do it can you be here at 8:20, everybody?
Yes.
8:30 is fine,
Let's-
Judge. It's just a
8:30 in the
fact.
morning.
Okay.
I understand. 8:30 in the morning,
I
okay?
apologize, Your Honor.
All right, fair enough. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be fair with you because that's what I do.
I know you do.
But you can't act like this.
But I would
And you-
not.
shh. And you've got to straighten out your life.
I'm working
Let's
on
not
it.
talk. Well, you better work harder.
I did my NA meetings like you
Good,
asked me to.
Good.
I did 5 of them. You asked me to do 3.
Are you under the influence now?
No, I'm not.
Why were you so loud? It's not often I have people come in here that in the courtroom, when they're told the first time and second time, that they're talking like they're at a strip club. I don't want you doing that.
I understand, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll see you next week. I'm going to be fair with you. I think you're under the influence. I hope you're not.
I'm not. I just woke up. We were late to coming here. We had a flat tire on the way here. I had to change my dad's tire on the way here.
All right, we'll see you next week. Go
I'm
down.
sorry, Your Honor.
You're fine. No, apology is accepted. We'll see you next Thursday. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks a lot, Ms. Lacy.